Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you, happy liver review. So you might be wondering, what is the happy liver that you may be hearing online? Well, Happy Liver by Ritual Labs is a liver support supplement built around three main ingredients. That includes milk thistle, which is standardized to 80% silymarin, NAC, and also choline bitartrate. Now, it's positioned around three functions. Silymarin is described as forming a protective barrier around liver cells and boosting glutathione. NAC as fueling glutathione production for detox, and choline as helping the liver package and export stored fat. Now, in this case, their website states the formula is free of filters or proprietary blends. Now, with each ingredient dosed at what it describes as clinically studied levels. Now, that's according to their website, and every batch third party tested for purity and potency. Now, how do you exactly take these type of products according to them? Now, in this case, according to the for you to take these products, you take 2 capsules daily with food, ideally at the same time each day, generally alongside the largest meal of the day for absorption. Now, each bottle here is a 30-day supply. Now, the site describes a general timeline of what to expect: reduce bloating, that includes that, and improve digestion in the first week, energy and mental clarity improving over the following 1 to 2 weeks, and fuller effects building over 30 to 90 days of consistent use. Now, it's designed for ongoing daily use rather than the cycling on and off. Now, a few things that the site specifies here. So the site states that it can be taken alongside other supplements like multivitamins, omega 3, 3s, or probiotics without known conflicts. Now, it also flags the silymarin may interact with certain medications processed through specific liver enzymes, including blood thinners like warfarin, and some diabetes medications, and certain immunosuppressants. So checking with your doctor first is advised for anyone on prescription medication. Now, anyone, or if you're going to take any kind of medication, consulting a doctor first is highly advised. Now, anyone with known allergy or plants in the daisy family, like ragweed, marigolds, and something like that, it is also advised to check with a doctor first, since milk thistle belongs to that plant family. Now, on the pricing side here, well, the listed price on this page is around 49.99 per bottle, currently running a buy one get one free promotion. It comes with a 60-day money back guarantee, and the site notes it's sold exclusively on this website. But you can also see a few listings, so stating that any listing under this name on Amazon or eBay or other marketplaces may not be genuine. Now that's according to their website here and here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.